Alright, so going around with the train here. This is a 5.7 Hemi, and okay, so I know what you're thinking. You just got nothing but bad luck, but same thing, rough idle, and this one's more of a miss slash stall. Now, I replaced the EGR on this one. As you can see, this is a brand new EGR, and for my stupidity, when I was doing the EGR, I did not take them bolts out. Them bolts, I did not take them out. And as a result, I pulled the pipe out before I did that. And my stupidity, I bent the pipe out of shape, and now I need a new pipe. But I tried to glue it as much as I can, and it's not leaking now. So before you comment, it's not coming from this. So I'm going to start it, and I'm going to let y'all make a assumption. Alright, so we're running. This is the first start. That's where she's sitting. And I know what you're thinking. This sitting is running pretty dang good. That's what you think. Alright, so come over here. So, as a fast start up, it purrs like a kitten. It's not missing, it's running good, etc, etc, etc. Like, it's running real smooth. I can put my hand right here, and I don't feel not a single miss, right? Now, this is until you hit the throttle, until you hit the gas, and you're about to see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, let me turn this off before I get copyright, even though it doesn't matter because I don't have no one watching my videos. But, as you can see, for a couple seconds, this is where we're running right now. And you're starting to feel that misfire. But it's not brutal. Alright? So, I'm about to rev it. Not too high because it's still cold. So I'm going to go at about 1500 and I'm going to let y'all see what it does after. There we go. Shaky boogie boogie, baby. Now we're running like a freight train now. And see where the idle's at? That's where we at right now. And I'm not shaking the phone. That's just how the car is shaking. And you remember when I first started this, we wasn't shaking at all. Right? Let me get over my dog. Now, when I first started this, it wasn't shaking now, right? Now look at this soldier now. You see how it's shaking a little bit here? You see how crazy of a shake the car now has since I done revved it. See how bad the idle is now? And that's just by simply revving the car from the first start. As again, it's no air leaks coming from this. Before y'all comment down, it's an air leak. It's not coming from this. It's not good. So, I'm going to get y'all nice and close and let y'all hear it. Alright, so if anybody knows exactly where that could be coming from, once again, let me know, because I have two of them for y'all, a 5.7 and a 4.7. Both Dodges. One is a Hemi, one is a Magnum. Don't worry about this ghetto rig. I know it's ugly, but if I get it running, it's going to look a lot better than that, trust me. So, if anybody have 5.7 Hemis, now, what I was thinking was cylinder, what cylinder was this one again? I think cylinder 5, I was thinking maybe it could be, hold on, let me get my phone, I got headphones on. I was thinking maybe cylinder 5 has like something loose, like that was right. Exhaust spring is loose, or are broken or something inside of the head itself. But I don't know. But I might check that out when I get into it. But most likely, I'm thinking that it could also be the throttle body. So if the I'm gonna get the throttle body first and see if the throttle body fixes it. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna be digging into cylinder 5. This is a brand new EGR valve that's right here. That's brand new. So the EGR is covered. The only thing I got left is the throttle body and cylinder 5. And if cylinder 5 isn't the case, then I actually don't know what else it can be. I really don't know what else it can be. Oh, and before y'all comment down, yes, these are brand new spark plugs. These is all 16 spark plugs has been changed, brand new, and all of the 8 coil packs has been changed. So it's not that, and the rest of it is like it's a big mystery. And I know the 5.7s they're very known for rough idle. Gotta get over to my dog again. I know the 5.7s are very big and known for rough idle. I'm gonna go again. This time we're gonna try to see if we can sit it. I cannot get this thing to sit right. It's not missing. It's not missing at all. And then... oh, she want to stall. She want to stall. She want to stall bad. Oh, she want to stall. It almost cut off there. So, if anybody knows what this can be, really comment down below. And hold on, let me switch this around. I got sweaty. If anybody's considering buying something that's rough idling, don't do it. Do not, and I repeat, do not buy something that is rough idling, because it could be absolutely anything, unless you're like an expert at this and you're a real good mechanic. If it's rough idling, please be aware of it, because you never know what it can be. Like I just said, it could be something simple as a spark plugs and coil, or it could be something completely big, or like an exhaust valve, or a piston, or an O-ring, or something like that, or even a head gasket, if that matter. So I have this is an 07 Dodge Magnum. It's a 5.7 Hemi, rough idle. It's rough idling after the cold start. Once when you hit the throttle, then it idles rough. And like I said, I got a 2001 Dodge Durango 4.7 that, well, apparently right now I have gas mixed with the oil, and it's rough idling. Don't know what it can be. Probably that piston like I showed y'all in the last video. So once again, help me. I guess this is help part 3. So help me out, please. I need someone to help me.